Idag ska vi läsa Little Red Riding Hood.
Please give this basket to grandmother.
What is in the basket?
Oh, dear Little Red Riding Hood, it's one big sandwich, a pie, 3 sausages, 2 oranges, some biscuits, and a big bottle of milk.
One big sandwich, a pie, 3 sausages, 2 oranges. I like oranges.
Be a good girl now and go to grandmother's house and do not stop on the way.
Okay, Mother. Goodbye. See you later.
Hello, Little Red Riding Hood. Where are you going?
I'm going to my grandmother's house.
What's in the basket?
Some biscuits, a pie, 3 sausages, 1 big sandwich, 2 oranges, and a big bottle of milk. It is for my grandmother. Goodbye, Wolf. She goes.
Oh, I'm hungry. I want to go to grandmother's house too. I can eat the pie, I can eat the sandwich, I can eat 3 sausages and drink the milk. I can eat grandmother. And then I can eat Little Red Riding Hood. Ha ha ha.
Oh, my back, my legs, oh, my neck and my head. I'm so tired and old. There's someone at the door. Huh? Is that you, Little Red Riding Hood?
Yes, grandmother, it's me. Can I come in?
Oh, yes, please come in. Come in, my girl.
Arrgh, I'm hungry. I will eat you.
The wolf eats grandmother and lies down in her bed. Little Red Riding Hood comes. She knocks on the door. Knock, knock, knock.
Is that you, Little Red Riding Hood?
Yes, grandmother, it is me. Can I come in?
Yes, please, come in, my man. Come in, my girl.
Grandma, you have big eyes.
So I can see you better.
Grandma, you have big ears.
So I can hear you better.
Grandma, you have big feet.
So I can eat you.
Help! Help! Please help me! Mr. Hunter is in the wood. He hears the screams and runs into grandmother's house.
Stop there, wolf! Stop or I will kill you!
Oh no, Mr. Hunter, please do not shoot me.
Bang!
Bang! Oh, thank you for helping me, Mr. Hunter.
And thank you for helping me too, Mr. Hunter. Bye-bye now.